Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how to reset Netspend account password. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, you need to open any web browser on your PC and there search for netspend.com. And now tap on login button at the top right of your screen. Now you have to type in your username and there tap on forget your username or password link. And once you tap on it, you will taken to the password reset page where you have to type in your username and your email address. Now once you're done with typing your username and email address, tap on next button. And once you tap on next button, it will send you a mail to your email address that is associated with Netspend account. Now check the email and follow the instruction, and then in the next page you will be able to create a new password for you. Once you're done with creating a password, your account password will be successfully recovered, and that's all it takes to recover your Netspend account password. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.